Moordale yarn is produced not too far from the Rowan design office in Huddersfield. So we took the opportunity to visit the mill that produces the yarn. The first step in the process is the blending of the fibres. Moordale is a blend of British Alpaca and British wool, and this step prepares the fibres for spinning and ensures an even blend of the different fibres throughout the yarn. Next, the blended fibres are spun as single strands onto cones. After the spinning process, the spun fibres are checked for faults, which the machine can do automatically. So, for example, if some grass is stuck in the fibre, it will stop the machine so the fault can be looked at in more detail. The single strands of spun fibre are then combined to create two strands that lie parallel to each other. This prepares the strands for twisting, which will then turn the individual strands into yarn that can be knitted. Next begins the finishing process, which despite the name still requires a lot of steps. The first step is to create large hanks of yarn from the cones. These massive hanks are then sent to the dyer to create the 12 stunning heather shades. Then the yarn, in all its colourful glory, is rewound and steamed to relax the fibres before they are turned into the beautiful hanks of yarn that you find in your local yarn store.